A piece of software that I like to use to make mind maps is bubbl.us. The first time we get to the website, you will need to register. To create a new mind map, you simply click on the plus. This will now allow you to start building or creating your own mind map. Once you've clicked inside, you can then type in your topic, and the other nice thing is you can change your bubble color if you'd like to. You can make it bold, italic, you can change your text size, and the other thing is if you click on the layout, you can decide whether you'd like to have it as a grid, a tree, or a circle. To add other buttons or other bubbles, you can click on the plus sign. Once you've clicked on the plus sign, you've now created a new one. You will notice that there's now an arrow which you can connect the different bubbles to. I find the easiest way is to go to where you'd like the arrow to start from, click on the arrow, and then click and hold and drag it to the next little bubble. The other thing is, if you move the bubbles around, you'll see that the arrows change automatically. I'm going to type in hardware, which is my next little category, and then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to change the color of this bubble. From the hardware, I can now select other ones. For example, I can now type in CPU, and I'm going to change this color because this is now another subcategory, and I'm going to, from hardware, I'm going to choose an arrow to connect it. I'm going to choose perhaps another bubble, and this time I'm going to type in RAM, and I'm going to select the arrow to RAM, and I'm going to move the RAM over here, and I'm going to make that the same background color as the CPU. Once you have completed your mind map, you have a couple of options. The first is you can share this with other people, and you will notice that you can get a link or you can embed this. If I get the link, this link I can then copy and send to whoever I would like to. The other option is I can download this. I'm going to click on Save As, and then my options are JPEGs, PNGs, or an HTML. I'm going to save this as a JPEG image. Once your file is then ready to download, you can click on the file name, and you will now notice that it has been downloaded. The reason why we would prefer to download it as opposed to just taking a snapshot or a screen grab of it is the downloaded image is a much better quality. Lastly, we might want to insert this into a document. I'm going to click on Insert Image and Upload from Computer. You might have saved yours in a different place, but mine is just under Downloads for now. There's my file called Computing, and there is my mind map.